Okay guys, so we're working on the 1969 Opel GT again. It's 1.9 liter. And so we just put exhaust, I call them rubber exhaust hangers on there. There's one. And there's the other. They look really nice. Exhaust is solid now. That's nice. And then here is there's only one on there from last time. Old one. If you guys can see that from the camera, there's a little metal thing sticking out there. My grandpa's pretty sure it's from MIG welding. The exhaust, cause this thing has a custom exhaust on it, which is in one of my older videos explaining about it. We didn't make it or anything, but so we still have all these parts from Opel GT Source, which is in California. So it's pretty cheaper parts. The other parts we've been using for the brakes are like from Rock Auto. So these are from there. They're the rack and pinion boots, and then we got the exhaust hangers, and then we got stuff for the gas tank venting. And there's instructions for it, but we have a different gas tank. This thing's for 1970, 1973, and we ordered that specifically because this is the gas tank that was in the car, and it has a thingy right there. That's the thing that goes outside, and then I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's all you do. That's the one vent hose, but that thing rusted out the bottom. There, you guys can see the rust holes in there. They put fiberglass over it. One of the previous owners did. And so anyways, we got this one gas tank from Foley's Parts over there. This really nice guy. He parted out 2 GTs a really long time ago. And so there it is. See how it has like a hose right there and has a hose over there. So we don't have a carbon canister in this car since it's not a 70. And we did not use the fuel filler for this gas tank. We used one for the 69 for this car, and we made a custom piece of hose for it. So we do not have there's supposed to be a little hose thing sticking out the fuel filter or fuel filler out there, so we don't have that. So in this, I'll explain how we're going to custom make this. The hose stuff, and there's the T. We're only going to need one of these T's. They send 2 T's. So what we're going to do is route, what are we going to do exactly? We're going to route this and the other hose over there. That hose right there will be on this T, and that hose way down there will be on this T. And then the hose that's going to go on here will go straight down to the car, and that'll vent it, and it'll be up here, which we might have to make some clamps for. I don't know. So yeah, so the original instructions call for it to be, I'll show you the instructions. It to go this way for this hose to go to there, but we're gonna make that hose go to there since we don't have that. And that's supposed to go to the ground. Well, we're just gonna make that thing go to the ground there, and so we're just gonna be using that T mostly. So there is the instructions. This air filter might put on the GT too. I think it's kind of cool being right down there. We'll make custom tubing and stuff. So anyways, I also have a transmission leak somewhere, and an antifreeze leak. We're going to be getting a new water pump because it's leaking. Crap. Okay, this is the wrong side. These seats don't scoot forward for some reason. So I should be wearing my head strap though. I'll put the GoPro in there. I guess let's get to it. These are nice hose cutters. These are my grandpa's, they're nice. And I will measure, well, how do I want to do this? Yeah, I guess I'll just I'll route the hose from the bottom and see where I want to. Oh crap, is that a screwdriver? Oh, they're just cool. That's the only thing, don't lose stuff on there, it's really annoying. Okay, there we go, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna route this and from the bottom first. That's the hardest, and see where it is. To get that thing out of there, it's really hard, so I had to literally cut the old hose out and use soapy water. Soapy water works great. Okay, I really need a mini tripod, but I don't have that. You guys probably don't, there's the hose right there. There's my electric fuel pump system, it's explained in another video. I'm just gonna route it through there and see how much I need, so you guys don't really need to know that. Alright guys, so we just ate lunch and stuff. So anyways, this is, I didn't film a part when I was putting it in there. Anyways, I got it in the hole. Use soapy water. Definitely that helps a little bit. I mean, it doesn't help that much, but it helps a little bit. Anyways, what, you have a little bit of problem back there. I at least fit in there perfect. I'm like 14 years old, I'm tiny. So I fit in there pretty good. But some of you guys might be a problem. I don't know. So there's the hose right there. Let's see if you can see down there. Oh yeah, I don't know, light, dang it. Here, let me get a light. Cause there's a little hole that, there's a light. Let's see here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Anyways, from this pipe right here is a little hole that you have to stick the other pipe through to, the venting hose, through that big pipe right there. And it's kind of hard, you have to kind of know what you're doing. So that's why I would definitely start the hose from the bottom. Do not do anything else. Don't try to feed it through the bottom, or feed it through that way. That won't work, because this little hose, this little hole, so that will not work. Do not do that. So now what my plan is, according to our custom making hose, I guess. Oh gosh. What I want to do is stick that thing in there, right there, then run that right there, then run the hose that connects this thing around here to there. And then, I guess the plan for this bottom one is to go to that connector way back there, I think. Unless I'm supposed to do it that way. The directions show that, I don't know. Well, the directions show that this line that's going from the bottom should go on this one, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ask my grandpa real quick. I don't know. I'll tell you guys what I'm doing. Oh yeah, there's rust right there. A little bit of rust right there. And if you guys don't know what these wires are, they're speaker wires, just like now we think. And there's those annoying seatbelts that are kind of weird, but kind of cool. And there's the shock thingies. So yeah, I guess I'll be right back. Okay guys, so working on this thing again. So I got that thing like that. I cut it. I got a dead spider. It was supposed to go right here, and I think it's supposed to go down like that. It's supposed to go doing. Anyways, what I'm going to do is put it like that, and then put the T right there, and then run this hose down there, and then run the one that goes down there. Or no, run the one that goes down back there. So, I guess I can do a time lapse, maybe. Yeah, I might do a time lapse. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. And then I cut off this much down here. There's a new hose. I cut off that much. I think that's good enough. And my grandpa says you don't want to get fumes in it. This is my cool lever. So yeah, I guess I'll put it on time lapse mode and then do that. Okay guys, so I just did that in time lapse video. So there's that. I just kind of stuck it up there so I can see where I'm going. Anyways, from there to up there, and then oh gosh, from back there to that thing. Where'd I put that at? Where'd that go? Oh, it disappeared. I'll put that right there. Perfect. To right there, and then that thing gonna go up there. Here. Oh, come on. Dang it, oh, 2 hands are weird. This is the word. And then this thing is going to go to the bottom of the T right there. So, there you go. Did I use that much?
You got 5 clamps, right?
See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we need 5 clamps. Yep, and you guys are going to need 5 clamps for the hose clamps. And then that's the amount of hose that I had left. Here, this thing turned off. That's the amount of hose I use, so. Yeah. Just use the small hose clamps then?
Yeah.
Cool. What are you gonna use that for? I'm just curious.
I'm gonna, you got a clamp for the right size. Just use a little spring.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, those things, yeah, that should work. Yeah, we're just gonna use little spring clamps, guys. So yeah, this is a 1969 car. Opel is, and this is the wrong gas tank for it. Yeah, I know that. So what you would do if you have that, the cracked gas tank, I think, is I think you have to screw in something right here. Whoa, that's kind of cool. Original sticker. And you just have a vent hose that goes down there. I think I stole the original hose. Oh, here it is. So then what you do is I cut off a tiny part of it to make it easier. It goes like that, and it just comes down. So that's all I do. I will show you a diagram of it. I guess my catalog that I just got from Opel GT Source. Oh crap. There you go. Where is it? Oh, that's cool. Fiberglass roof panel. Come on. Look, I have no idea where this thing is, guys. Gas tank. I'm getting closer now. There we go. Engine. 2.4 liter. It's just taking forever. Oh, cool, automatic transmission parts. Yeah, we're having a transmission leak in our kickdown cable's bad. So yeah, so our kickdown cable's bad, so I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Okay, so here it is. Where is this thing at? Do they only have the one? Do they have both in the style of the venting hoses?
That page there is what I see.
Yeah, maybe they don't.
Well, here's your directions over here.
Yeah. Well, that's for the ones that we have. I was wondering where the ones are for the other one. Yeah, but I guess it's, I don't maybe they don't sell them. Maybe you just get random hose. Huh, I don't know. Yeah, that's all you do for the ones that the venting hoses that go on these ones. You just route it down. But yep. Okay, guys, so I just got done installing that hose. Put a hose clamp right there. Put one of the screw clamps with the Phillips back there. One of those things right there. Put those things right there. Put one right there. Put one of the plier ones. They fit just right. That T thingy, plastic T thingy. It's kind of hard to put the hose on. So spray soapy water on it. It works amazing. I can get it on there all the way. If you don't have soapy water, you can't get on there all the way at all. Those rug clips work perfect up there. Then I got the Phillips thing up there, and that runs over there, and I'll move that. The spare tire thingy. So yes, now we're good with this job. Now I have to work on the rack and pinion boot sometime, maybe. So yeah, so far this is good.